Indian military strategists are keenly dissecting the ongoing Ukraine conflict for insights into the future of warfare and how to best counter potential threats from its neighbors. China's third aircraft carrier Fujian has started sea trials. Australian media has reported that Australia had expelled 2 Indian spies in 2020 for allegedly trying to steal secrets about sensitive defense projects and airport security. Ordnance Factory has completed trials of the new 155mm high explosive Bourrelet shells that were conducted using the 155mm 52 caliber ATAGS. Indian startup Antsys Innovations will develop L-band synthetic aperture radar for small satellites under the IDEX initiative. Philippines has said that the Chinese Coast Guard used water cannons on 2 of its vessels, causing damage to one of them during a patrol near a reef off Philippines. Indian Foreign Secretary held a meeting with UAE's Minister of State for International Cooperation, and they discussed ways to further deepen the comprehensive strategic partnership between the two nations. India and Croatia held the 11th session of Foreign Office consultations, and both sides discussed the entire range of existing bilateral and defense relations. The DRDO has successfully carried out trials of the Smart Missile System, which is a canisterized next-generation missile-based lightweight torpedo delivery system, to enhance anti-submarine warfare capability far beyond conventional range of lightweight torpedo. The supersonic missile has a range of 643 kilometers, carrying a lightweight torpedo of 20 kilometers range, that is equipped with a 50 kilograms high explosive warhead. The Indian government is likely to adopt the strategic partnership model for the 57,000 crore rupees future combat vehicles development. The project envisions the formation of a new company that will be a joint venture between public sector and private sector companies. The Indian Army requires 1,770 FRCVs, and the project will be executed in 3 phases, with an initial induction of 590 FRCVs in the first phase, and this phased approach allows for potential improvements based on real-world deployment experiences. India's quest for new submarines under Project 75I might hit a snag, as the Navy officials are concerned over the extensive American technology integrated into the S-80 Plus submarines offered by Spanish shipyard Navantia. The high degree of American systems in the S-80 Plus has raised eyebrows among Indian naval officials, as they present challenges in terms of technology transfer and indigenous integration. After evaluating the air-independent propulsion system on the S-80, the Navy will seek clarification on the transfer of technology offered by Navantia. The Indian Army is seeking the expertise of private companies to develop next-generation robotic mules that will have an operational range of 30 kilometers and a cargo capacity of 100 to 150 kilograms, and will be specifically built for high-altitude regions. It will be powered by internal combustion engines that will ensure reliable operation in harsh conditions. It will be equipped with pre-programmed GPS capabilities that will allow them to navigate autonomously, following predetermined routes to deliver supplies to remote outposts. Today's top 3 comments.